Okay, so this is the antenna tracking, the aircraft tracking program that I've been working on, and we just see it moving here a little bit. It's going to move the azimuth and the elevation here shortly, I suspect. There we go. Got a little bit of elevation change anyway, maybe a little bit of, yeah, got a little bit of azimuth there now too. Anyway, that's done by these two motors, and all these gears are 3D printed. And I just have a little microwave horn on there, 10 gig horn. This is the display off the Arduino. When it actually makes a move, it tells you where it's planning on going, and then it shows you what it winds up being. So it said it was moving to 26. It made it to 26.4. If it does another move here, sometimes the display isn't quite fast enough to catch all of the moves, but occasionally it catches them all right. And if you switch it to manual mode, yeah, then it'll show you where you're going, and update display if you're moving azimuth and elevation. But I've got it in auto mode right now. And in auto mode, what it does is it automatically goes out and pulls the data from this IP address, which is on my local subnet, and pulls the JSON data from the ADSB receiver and brings it in, displays it on here. You can select a plane, and you can then select this auto data mode. It'll refresh it anything from 2 to 10 seconds. And then if you have this auto send mode, it'll actually take the data that's coming from the plane, calculate what the azimuth and elevation is from the location of the receiver, and then send that data to the Arduino, which moves the motors. So that's how the program works. I added some features where you can now on the top, you can do a sort by direction. So if you're trying to work somebody in a particular direction, or if you're trying to find just something that's close to you because you want to try and work somebody nearby, and both of you could probably hit the same plane that maybe is up in the air a little further, you can do that. Right now there's nothing real close. 14 miles is the closest one. It has a new feature where you can refresh the COM ports, and I added some features to clean up some things. So if you close the COM port, it takes it out of auto send mode, so it doesn't jam up the COM port on the computer. This is running on an old Dell laptop running Windows 7. I developed it on Windows 11. It runs fine on Windows 11. It does need to be a 64-bit machine. Let's see, what else can I tell you about it? I also have it running inside a Mac using the Parallels application on the Mac, and that's running Windows 7 there too, and it even supports a COM port through the Mac from Windows running inside the Mac, and it's pretty cool. Like I said, the refresh rate is anything right now. I have it set anything from 2 to 10 seconds. 1 second is just a little too fast. You can't reliably pick something off the screen in just 1 second if it refreshes that often. But I might add it just so that if you got a fast moving plane, that it will track it every second, or try to track it every second. Although I'm not sure the data actually comes in all that fast. But it's pretty cool. It's pretty stable right now, so I think it's a keeper. Anyway, that's the latest on the aircraft tracking program. Signing off for now. WA3PZQ.